Yo! So, today we're gonna be unboxing this cheapo dollar store toy.
Hours of fun.
That I got at Pojo's yesterday. Won it with tickets. Credits to Harold the Paper Bag Man.
Yeah. Okay.
For taking me to Pojo's.
You'll have hours of fun. They say it twice.
No,
Hours of fun.
Hours of fun. It's a Special Forces hero. You can collect them all. And kids will have hours of fun playing with these Special Forces heroes. You can also get a hoverboard guy and a kayak guy. This is the motorcycle one. And we're going to be opening it up.
Cheap.
So here's the figure. And you can put on a helmet that doesn't fit.
Here's the bike with the handlebars and his shovel that looks like it has a scope on it. This is cheap.
The shovel doesn't even fit in his... Oh, it does. It does.
Okay.
It goes in his hand.
Okay, I put him on the bike. Okay, now we're going to see if we can have hours of fun with this. Okay.
Okay.
We'll bring you down so you can see us playing. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna shoot you with my shovel. Oh no, I gotta get my helmet. It's so boring.
I'm bored already.
The helmet doesn't even fit. Oh, well.
Get up!
I don't need to get up. Well,
That's all for us. Please like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Smash that like button. Get a hammer.
Yeah!
Hit it until your phone breaks. Or your computer or whatever you're watching it on. Smash that like button. Comment below.
If you think we should buy more of these.
Yeah. Well, that's all for us. Please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye-bye.